Hey guys, how are you? I'm John, and I'm gonna tell you how I've been keeping my oily skin under control with the Resist Weightless Toner by Paula's Choice. So some of us, we got oily skin. For me, I have oily skin, and that's why I love this toner. It's weightless, it keeps my shine under control, and doesn't dry out my skin. This thing is a beast. It's got all kinds of different ingredients in it. It's got niacinamides, which I'm saying that, it's like, what? Niacinamides basically reduces your pores, like non-existent. Look in the mirror, super smooth. Peptides also firm your skin, smooth your skin out, makes it look beautiful. And we got resveratrol, so all that redness, out the window. I use this one twice a day. It's weightless, it's non-astringent, it's not gonna tear up my skin. So right after I wash my face and my skin's all nice and clean, I soak a cotton pad, dab it everywhere, and then I'm good to go. And if it's daytime, I make sure to add an SPF to my treatment as well. And that's why Paula's Choice is my choice.